Welcome to MiloTree. I'm Jillian Leslie, co-founder, and I can't wait to show you how easy this platform is to use. Here I am in my own dashboard. These are the kinds of products you can sell with MiloTree: a workshop, digital download of any kind, a membership or subscription, coaching, just grab a payment link, or freebies and lead magnets. Let's say I want to create a digital download. I just click this button. I give it a name, a price, and a short description. You add your digital file directly to our platform and we deliver it to your customer. But here's where the magic is. I'm going to create a sales page in 3 seconds. Here you go. It's AI generated. I can change and customize it however I like. I press save and customize my thank you page. We offer upsells, coupons, and integrate with all major email service providers. Here's what my sales page looks like. Scroll down through this. If I click buy, I end up on a simple Stripe checkout page. The best thing about MiloTree is its ease. We offer a free plan to get you started immediately. So go sign up now.